Okay, welcome back. So here we have an electric generator and a current meter. And what I'm going to demonstrate in this video is how the electromagnetic fields that are produced inside the generator create a counter electromagnetic torque and perform negative work against the rotation that I am basically inducing into the drive shaft. So what the scientific community wants you to believe and has wanted you to believe now again for close to 200 years is that the reduction in kinetic energy of the drive shaft, the reduction in the kinetic energy of the drive shaft can be accomplished without energy. And that's an impossible statement, and I'm going to show you why. So we're rotating the drive shaft here, and you can see that it's basically pretty easy to turn the drive shaft. When I close the circuit, we'll have current flowing through the windings of the generator, and hopefully you'll be able to observe the negative work that the magnetic field energy that's created inside the generator performs. So here we go again. When I connect it, when I close the circuit, now as current flows in the windings of the generator, the magnetic field energy that's created around the windings are actively opposing the rotation of the generator's rotor. So once again, we are rotating on no load, and when current flows in the windings of the generator coil, the electromagnetic field energy creates a counter electromagnetic torque which performs negative work against the turning action of the prime mover, whatever is turning the generator. Now there's some people, some engineers actually believe that, and if you listen to the Newtonian mechanic dudes, they would tell you that the reason that it's harder to turn the generator when it's on load is because the generator is pumping electrons through the thin wire. And that's not true, because if we increased the thickness of the wire, and as we brought the resistance of the wire closer and closer to a resistance of 0, the harder it becomes to turn the generator. The more current that flows through the windings, the more negative work is performed by the electromagnetic field energy that's created. So in the next video, I'm going to show you negative work being performed by electromagnetic field energy that's created, and then positive work that is also being created by magnetic field energy that is also being created but is being delayed in the time domain. And I'll show you the time delay on the oscilloscope. And what we'll also notice is that when you reverse the effects of Lenz's law, you end up with a generator that operates at infinite efficiency. So stay tuned, that's coming up next. Thanks.